Great. So now that we've officially closed out Q4 and moved into the start of Q1, I wanted to take a quick moment to record a proper update on what we've built at TTT Markets over the last quarter, what we've achieved in the final quarter of the year, and where we're heading next, and what we've managed to achieve over the last few weeks, start of Q1 in 2026. So it's currently the 15th of January. So Q4. Q4 was a really important period for us. We managed to strengthen the foundations massively of the business. One of the biggest areas of focus in Q4 was our operations, support, and automations. We've significantly improved the internal flow for us as a team in terms of how we log things. We have now much faster support and response times and smoother communications with you, the trader. So that's been a major improvement, and it's something that I've mentioned, I think, in the last few videos discussing in Q3 and Q2. But that's one thing that's been massively missing within the space, which is transparency, support, and response times. And it's something that we will continue to improve on every single quarter of 2026. So we've made massive improvements there. Our response times are much quicker, and we believe in what we've seen in the community is that the overall trader experience has improved, which is amazing. Now, more structurally, we have also launched MetaTrader 5, which was very successful, and it's another major milestone for us this last Q4, is that we have launched own MetaTrader 5 license underneath TTT Markets Ltd, which you can search up on your phone, desktop, laptop. And that now means that traders can seamlessly trade between mobile, desktop, laptop, iPad, any tablet, Android, Apple, which is a major improvement. It means that traders have complete flexibility. And we know there was a lot of demand for that because then traders can be out and about, work, in town, wherever it is, and they can trade whilst they're on the move or on the go. And so we've successfully onboarded all traders that wanted to be onto MT5, ensured the transition was smooth and stable. And that was a brilliant achievement in Q4. We now have lots and lots of traders trading MT5 very successfully. It's been really, really good. So I'm very pleased with that we've managed to launch that successfully. We had to go through the entire process of acquiring the MetaTrader 5 license, which I think I discussed in Q3, which wasn't easy. And so we've now got that and everyone is enjoying that and using that. And it is the best multi-asset trading platform for traders. So it really is fantastic that we've managed to onboard that. So behind the scenes then, MetaTrader 5 was massive, but also the automations and the infrastructure, because with the new platform, we had to incorporate how that fits in with our current ecosystem. So development had done very, very well over the last quarter, I will say, working very, very hard and done very well. So we've now fully automated the account processes, including account creation, transitions, drawdown tracking, risk monitoring for us on the back end. So this allows us to operate more efficiently, reduce friction, and maintain accuracy as well. And it also means that we can scale. We can scale much further now that we have MetaTrader 5 beyond our previous ecosystem, which was just our web trading platform that we have built. That means that traders now have more instruments to trade, and it also means that everything's more reliable. And more importantly, they can trade from an app on their phone. So moving on from a content and education perspective, we have also continued to strengthen our offering. Fotis been providing high quality education and institutional level videos. This has been really well received amongst the traders, helping traders improve their understanding of risk management, discipline, how professionals trade the market and professional trading behavior. So this content has played a really important role in our Discord and our community, supporting trader longevity and not just short-term results. Now, there are also a few other things to mention. We launched our subscription-based account model, which, as I mentioned in Q3, we were launching, and this Q4 has been very successful. We've started to see the data. We've seen that on average, people in the subscription-based accounts sticking within the ecosystem for longer, which means that they are passing more accounts and earning more rewards on average compared to our one-step or our two-step model. So that's been a brilliant improvement and addition to the product line. We also have brought in a dedicated affiliate manager and onboarded multiple new partnerships into the program. That's groups, communities, mentorships. We've managed to support multiple new partnerships this last Q4, which is brilliant. On top of this, we've carried out strong interviews. We've collected trader testimonials. We've had some really successful testimonials this last Q4, people receiving $20,000 across lifetime payouts for TTT Markets, and that's helped massively build transparency and trust around the brand. Q4 also saw meaningful improvements in our website. We rolled out a new product grid layout so that you could see the accounts and see the account models better, or improved usability, and refined the way that the programs are displayed, making it easier for traders to understand and choose the right option for them. Finally, payouts have remained a core priority throughout the quarter. We have continued to process withdrawals consistently on our Wednesday payout schedule, maintaining reliability and trust. Just this week alone, we paid out over $30 in rewards to traders, which is something that we're extremely proud of. Now, it's already the 15th of January. We've had a few weeks, and we've already started strong. At the start of the year, we have launched our new program model, which is called Lite. That's the Lite program model. This was designed to be an even more affordable entry point into prop trading, allowing traders to get started with a lower cost. Rather than the one-step, the two-step, or the instant funding standard models, this Lite program is a harder program, but a cheaper program. So allowing traders to get started with a lower cost while still benefiting from the professional trading environment of utilizing platforms like MetaTrader 5. That opens the door for more traders, and it's made our ecosystem more accessible, because our previous entry point was $49, £49 or €49. Now that has dropped down to 29. So it makes it more affordable for traders. You can test our system, you can test our plan, you can test everything from as little as $29 now, which is a super affordable product, which we're very pleased to have rolled out. Additionally to that, in this last week, we've also launched the CFD brokerage side of the business, allowing traders to trade their own funds underneath the TTT Markets infrastructure. So this is being currently rolled out to a select group of traders first, as we focus on controlled growth, stability, and ensuring that the execution and the quality of everything is perfect before we roll it out to everyone else within the community. But this is now meaning that we have a full ecosystem. We have education for free. We have prop trading, which is a very low cost, affordable way to get into trading and understand the market. And then we also have live CFD brokerage trading. We have three massive pillars to this business now that traders can really enjoy and take full advantage of. So as I said, this is being rolled out to a few traders first. Then we're going to launch it out to everyone else. We anticipate probably this time next month, the middle of February. We want to thank everyone again. 2025 has been a brilliant year. Q4 was a brilliant quarter. And I want to thank everyone for all the success and the trust in us as always, to continue pushing ahead and being committed to building TTT Markets into ultimately a really professional, transparent, long-term trade. Thank you, everyone. We'll record more videos across the next quarter on the progress that we've made with everything. Now, the end of the video. Thank you.